how to set up custom registration questions, and online deposit terms. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up registration deposit terms and custom questions. First, select the center you wish to configure. Next, navigate to the Custom menu and select Online Registration. If you require parents to pay a deposit when registering online, ensure it's set up in the Program section of the Setup module. Please review the How to Set Up Programs video guide for more information. It's important to include your deposit policy terms, such as whether it's refundable. You can preview how this will appear, users will pay their deposit and enter their credit card information, and your customized terms will be visible. Next, let's discuss custom registration questions. For parents completing the online registration, all licensing required fields, such as allergies and emergency contacts, must be filled out. However, if you'd like to add additional questions to your registration form, you have the option to do so here. To add questions, simply click Add a Question, choose the type of field, and input the details. Specify if the question is required. Feel free to include as many custom questions as needed, but avoid duplicating any default system questions. Once finished, click Save. You can also rearrange the question order by dragging and dropping them in your preferred sequence.